Alright, so good morning guys. We got Christian's Bonneville here, and we are doing vacuum leak tests right now, and we found the vacuum leak. I did two ways of testing this. The first one was unhook this loose brake booster line and put the smoke in through there and see what comes out at. And if you can see, there's your leak. So that's good. Easy fix. So that means after we fix that, we can tune this engine and get them running right again. Pretty quick and easy. This little machine right here I got off Amazon for, I don't know, 40-50 bucks, pretty cheap. Hooks to a battery, and there's your result right there. It's pretty sweet.